That was dumb as shit. Why the fuck did you do that? God damn it, kid. Quit taking pictures of these shitty fucking plants. What if it's a fucking bungleberry, dude?
Wow. Jesus Christ. That's enormous.
Yeah, dude. Get
Another 2 feet.
this here is a rare specimen of fungi. It's called a brown mushroom. You only find these really in New England, or at least in the East. And this is a very strange, particular specimen which requires you to be very quiet. These mushrooms can't handle noise. Just kidding, they don't have eardrums. Ah! 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 Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Bitch!